What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tesla with the ticker symbol TSLA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So last time I looked at Tesla was back on October 12th, and you can see that price was trading right around the 218 level. So basically, not much has changed in an entire week. Let me go and zoom in on the chart. You see that basically all these candles look like dojis, basically a range pattern within the trading day. So several consecutive days in a row of consolidation. And basically the market is anticipating a big news event. So what is the big news event? Well, it's that earnings report. So a lot of times when the market gets quiet, that's normally what's happening. It's at levels that it cannot push through. So you can see that the bears are trying to defend their bearish trend line right over here, and the bulls are trying to defend their bullish trend line. So we got two conflicting trend lines meeting together at this point, also with that earnings report coming up. So a lot of times market participants are stepping out of the market, waiting to see what the big players do. You can see that it's very quiet, very minor trading volume going on as of right now. Volatility is also very low. So they're waiting for that earnings report. Looks like it's coming out sometime possibly Wednesday after market close. However, this says the key stat says 5 days ago. I don't know what that means, but it looks like it's coming very soon for Tesla. So earnings report coming very soon. Let me go and zoom out on the chart, look at the technicals. It's very sideways trading for a very long time now, basically since December of 2020. You can see that price is right at the 218 level, so not much has changed in practically 4 years, almost 4 years. So again, Tesla been sideways trading for about 4 years. However, it looks like the earnings report and the revenue are getting better slightly. So again, it's ready to push up higher fundamentally, but the technicals could outweigh the fundamentals in the short term. So here's a look at the daily chart. Mostly sideways trading more recently and in the long term. We did see a strong push down by the bears right over here, and then we saw a nice correction up back to the top of the range, but looks like we did see another drop. So if bears can break this bullish trend line that we're currently at, then I see price reaching the 175 level, possibly the 166 level. That's where the support or the reversal can take place at. However, if the bulls are able to defend this bullish trend line, break through this bearish trend line, we're going to probably see another attempt up all the way up to the 267 and potentially even break it this time. So that's how it's going to most likely play out. We're between two levels of resistance and support, so we have to wait and see which one will win out. Is it going to be the bulls? Is it going to be bears? Right now, it's probably favoring the bears just slightly because we're coming off the highs of the range and we're still below this bullish trend line. So it's favoring the downside, maybe 60-40 or 55-45, but it can just as easily break this trend line and push up higher. So we'll have to wait and see. Earnings report will be definitely a big deciding factor in that. So we'll have to wait and see what happens for Tesla. But overall, it's just been sideways for the past several years now, a couple of months, and basically even a couple of days. So it's just getting sideways and more sideways and more sideways. Here's a look at the weekly chart. So weekly chart shows that in the long term, Tesla is going up. It's making higher lows. You can see that we did not come back down to that 2020 low. We have not seen price come back to the 2022 low, and we have not seen price come back to this May 2024 low. So it is increasing over time very slowly, and eventually this thing will definitely be worth a lot more. Most likely, we don't know 100%, but probably 99% sure this company is going to be worth a lot more in the future, and the market will probably agree as well, and then the price will increase over time. It's just in the short term, traders are looking at this right over here. They're seeing this sideways trading. They're seeing this bearish momentum, and they might hop on that trade to the downside, and then maybe it reverses from there. So we'll see what happens. There is definitely room to the upside. There's still bulls attempting to reach, the 337, 336 level. That's a measure move target. This is all one leg right here. And you see that the bulls are attempting to reach at. So this is the second attempt, or this is the first attempt to reach that measure target that failed. This was the second attempt that failed. And sometimes you'll see a third attempt. So we could get that third attempt. However, we can also see a drop down, and then the second attempt could play out, something like that. So this would be very normal to occur. I'm expecting maybe something like this, another drop down, find support, reverse right here, and then break out higher. So I wouldn't be surprised to see something like that. So that's probably what's going to occur. So all I have for Tesla on the daily weekly charts. I'll give you guys an update regardless, maybe sometime next week, Monday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.